Let's try to finish this Gemara. We have a Mishnah that says, if an idol was left over by its worshippers in the time of peace, it's permitted. You can assume it was nullified, but if they left it and they probably gave up on it, but if they left it in the time of war, you can assume that they they didn't give up hope. They're going to come back after the war, and therefore it's prohibited. There's stones that they have a king walk on, and even if he's going to bow down to idols along the way, they are permitted because they just put up the stones when the king is walking. So Amar B'Yirmiyah bar Abba Amar Rav. B'Yirmiyah bar Abba is the name of Rav. Beis Nimrod Harihu Ka'akum Shenichua Avda B'Shashalom Umutar. Interesting thing is the house of Nimrod, which it seems we're talking about the ziggurat, the Tower of Babel. It seems that it was still around in those days when the Babylonian Talmud was written. Whatever's left of it, maybe not the whole tower going up, but there certainly were ruins of it that were still there at the time of the authorship of the Babylonian Talmud. They were aware of it. They knew where it was. He said that could be considered to be something that's idolatrous, that its worshippers left in a time of peace, and therefore it's permitted. It's permitted. Mutar b'hana. It's permitted to have benefit from it. Avol gab chi b'derminhu rachmana kashas milchamadami. Ibol lemet hedar hadar umedalei hadar batulei batla. So the thing is that God chased them out, so that could be considered war. However, they were able to go back to it, and since they never did, it became nullified. Mishnah said that the stones that they put down for the kings are permitted because it's only when the king is walking it. Why are they permitted? Just because they're walking on it. So because when the kings walk on it, sometimes they walk this way and they go a different way. When Ula came to Babylonia from the Holy Land, Yosef Abima Bimsa Pegima, he sat on a broken platform that was once used for idolatry. Amalei Rav Yehuda Ula V'Harav Shmuel. So Rav Yehuda said to Ula, there's an argument between Rav and Shmuel. The Amri Tervar b'Moshenifkam Aser V'Filamon the Amr Ein Evden L'Shvarim Mani Mili the Avedis Kechavim the Zila Bei Milsa L'Maflach L'Shvarim. A platform that was damaged, you cannot have benefit from it, even according to the opinion that they don't worship broken pieces. These are the idols itself, because it's something that's insulting for the pagans to worship broken pieces. But this platform, it doesn't matter if it's damaged. Marley, so he answered, Man Yavlan, Me'afra D'Rav Shmuel. Who can give us from the dirt of Rav and Shmuel? We're so small in them. And fill up our eyes. Who can explain? Is there anyone around who can explain what Rav and Shmuel were teaching here, so we can have a clarity of their teachings and not just repeat words without understanding what we're really saying? Rabbi Yochanan Reish Lakish. So we can find Rabbi Yochanan and Rish Lakish said, "Damar Tavai Bimush Nifka Mutter." Rabbi Yochanan and Rish Lakish both said that the damaged platform of idolatry is permitted. Filamanda Amar Ayvdin L'Shvarim Hanimilu Avodas Kechavan Cheven the Palcha Zila Milsila Betula. And even according to the opinion that broken pieces are worshipped, that's broken pieces of an idol that's actually worshipped because they don't want to actually worship the broken idols. That's an insult. Avalhani shiklei lahai ma'asu bimas achrina. This platform, they take out this platform, it's damaged, and bring another platform, and it's not actually worship. Tanya kavasei Rabbi Yochanan Rish Lakish. So this is teaching, and according to the opinion of Rabbi Yochanan Rish Lakish, bimush nifkam mutter. A platform that's damaged is permitted. Mizbeach shnifkam asad shinat tetzrubai. But a idolatrous altar that's damaged is prohibited until it's mostly destroyed. Then it's permitted. Chidami bimus, hechidami mizbeach. So how can we tell the difference between a platform and an altar? Right? You sometimes hear people ignorantly call the platform in the synagogue, the bima, an altar, and it's not an altar. So it's just a platform. So Amar Rabbi Yaakov Bar Idi, Amar Rabbi Yochanan Bimus Evanachas Mizbeach Vadim Harbe. So Rabbi Yaakov Bar Idi said, name of Yochanan, that a platform is one stone, and a altar is made of many stones. That's as far as an idolatrous altar, Mechizkiah. So that's the end of our daf. So we'll stop here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. All the best. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning with us. God bless.